Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to air fry some you know what in my Ninja Foodi extra large grill. So let me angle this camera down. Let me see. Right here. I have to use this grill pan thingamajig crisper basket. I line this with foil because I don't want to clean up nothing. I just want to get the grease that dripped off of it and throw it away without having to wash that because I already got to wash this. But this is pretty easy to wash. And the other is too, but I just want to have to do extra. So I had previously washed, seasoned, and vacuum sealed and froze. I got some legs up in here, and I got some, I think these are wings, lime, garlic, and oregano seasonings. I just cut these wings. I just cut the tip off. And I'm going to bread them. I got a daughter here. She wants some breaded air fried chicken. I'm going to use the Lefty spices. This is the spicy, but it's not really spicy. I'll be using my breader shaker bowl. I'll leave the link for this breader shaker bowl. And I'll be using some grapeseed oil. Okay. So I'm going to put the lefties in here. Maybe I'll mix it with something else. I'm going to mix it. Kind of cut it. I'm going to cut it with some Sylvia's breading. Gotta cut the spiciness. Crispy fried chicken breading. Okay. I'm gonna mix this up. Okay. In the meanwhile, plug this in, turn it off so it can be preheating. Okay, turn it on. Turn it on air crisp. I'm gonna set it for 400 and then start. So right now the preheat light is on, so I'm gonna let it preheat. So these are still frozen. Oh, this smells so good. I'll do this with one hand. Open this one. Oh, that seasoning all up in here. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna cook the wings first. Smaller. things in here. Show you how it looks. There's a little cage thing in here where the flour sips back down to the bottom, and it just breads very well. I'll wait till that preheats. I'll be back. Okay, it says add food. Shake it again. I didn't cut the tip off. I just cut the tip off. I didn't cut these into individual sections like I usually do. They half frozen. Open this up. Ooh, that's really frozen. So I put a couple legs in here. It's seasoned good. I think 3 legs will fit in here now. Ooh. This one is less frozen than that one. These are huge legs. Let me wash my hands off. I got 3 big old legs up in here. We'll shake it up. And you have to hold the lid on like this with your hands on, your thumbs on top and under this bottom ledge. Hold it. Don't just lift it up by these little handles on the lid and think you're going to shake it. You're going to be baptized with flour. So hold it good and shake it. I want to put at least 3 legs in here. Okay. They're pretty close together. I've got my hands nasty. Put these other legs up in here. So I can throw this mess away. I love my vacuum sealer. I'll leave a link for it too. So you can wash, when you bring your meat home, wash it, cut it, whatever you got to do, season it, vacuum seal it, and freeze it. So it's ready. You ain't got to do nothing else. Okay. Wash my hands again. Okay, now, you know what, I think I can spray olive oil on here. I'm not going over a certain temperature. I'm using olive oil. I'll leave a link for this spray bottle. This is the Evo. That's the red thingamajig. And this is just the generic but it works every bit as good as the Evo, plus it's cheaper. Okay, now I'm going to spray this chicken. Since it's breaded, it has to be sprayed. If it's naked wings or legs, you don't have to spray it because the skin makes its own. Ooh, that's squirting. I want it to spray. Now, spray. Spray it good. You don't want no powdery chicken. Okay, that's good. Some of this flour off of here. Uh-oh, I just turned it off. Okay. And crisp, 400. Start. Shut lid. Okay, it's telling me to shut the lid. I don't want it to preheat. So I open it. Okay, I'll let it do what it does. Okay. I will be back. So I'll leave a link for my breader shaker bowl, my both sprayers. The generic sprayer that sprays just as well as the Evo, but it's much cheaper. What else? And the Ninja Foodi extra large grill. Okay, I'll be back. Yeah, I got 5 more minutes. Oh, this chicken looks so good, y'all. Y'all see that? Move closer. Look at it. Golden brown fried chicken. I'm going to turn it. I don't have to, but I am. Don't want to knock the breading off. Since everything was frozen, so I'm flipping these. And I know these big old legs ain't done. The more you handle it before it gets good and done, it's a greater chance, of the breading being knocked off. So usually I wouldn't even flip it. Okay, let's see what these legs are doing. Spray this side. The olive oil. Spray the powdery parts. I don't want no powdery chicken. What else I gotta do to it? Nothing. I'm gonna see with the temperature. Invest in a instant read meat thermometer. This one is by Therm Pro. How's it already? Okay. Check the legs. 144. Did that thaw out? Okay, that's hard. No, that's still frozen. This one ain't. Okay, I'm gonna turn I'm gonna set this for 5 more minutes, so that'd be 25 minutes total. Come on. 2, 3, 4. I'll set it. Okay. Okay. I'll be back. I think I'll get ready to dump some fries in here. I'm not going to clean this. I'm just going to put the fries in here. for dinner. Some kind of vegetable, but she wants fries. That's good.
Oh, that's right. You said you did.
Spray 'em. And we'll season them. Just a bit. I'm using the sweet basil citrus. Always shake it up. Okay. Set. Turn it back on. Oh, I turned it off. Set it for air crisp. About 10 minutes. You don't see me. And start. Since it's already heated up, let it cook for maybe 10 minutes. I'm going to watch it. I'll show y'all the chicken in a minute. Okay, here's my platter of fried chicken. Piece was stuck, so I'm going to eat this little piece here. Let me raise this up. Whoops. Add a little kick to it. Taste the lime that was in the seasoning. Ooh. And it was frozen. Okay. Wait for the fries to get done, but the chicken is the star. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit. Okay. Nice, crispy, spicy, but not salty chicken. Okay, y'all be blessed. Bye. Okay, I'm finished with the fries and the chicken. That's how it looks. Okay.